Welcome to the 7th contest in the Ashanti region for the Regional Championship of the 2024 National Science and Maths Quiz. Today we bring you a contest between Opoku Ware School, KNUST Senior High School, Armed Forces Senior High Technical School, Kumasi, and Nsmq Senior High School. Let's meet our contestants. From Opoku Ware School, we have
Kwesi John
and
Apema Ban Stephen Kofi.
KNUST Senior High School is represented by
Opoku Ashanti Nathaniel.
and
Samaji Ishmael Paddy.
Armed Forces Senior High School, Kumasi is represented by
Ishak Hedro Tiumba, final year.
and
Ado Dennis.
Nsmq Senior High School is represented by
Ultra Mensa Roland.
Bakwe
and
Sapuma Esther.
you're welcome, ladies and gentlemen. The Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goyle PLC with support from Joy News. We say a big thank you to Charles for preparing and allowing the contestants to be here for the contest. This is a Primetime production, and my name is Dr. Mrs. Gladys Ode-Shringa. I'm your quiz mistress. Contestants, we have 4 rounds in the contest, each with its own rules. But in each of the rounds, you are going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds for questions involving calculations and 10 for those not involving calculations. You have just 1 attempt at answering. If for any reason you are asked to repeat your answer, do repeat, don't change. When you change, your answer will not be admitted. Should there be an opportunity for a bonus? Only one school can ring for a bonus. Once the school is called, or only one school can try for a bonus. Everybody can ring, but only one school, the first to ring, would get it, and no other school can try it again. In round 1, each school will get a question. You answer correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong, another school may ring to answer correctly for a bonus point, but lose a point when they are wrong. When you don't answer and the bell goes out on you, another school can ring for the bonus. Please, when you are ringing for a bonus, don't keep your hand on the bell. Ring once and leave it. If I don't see, someone else will take note and alert me when the time comes. Don't ring the bell when a school is talking or giving their answer, or when they are thinking about their answer and the bell hasn't gone out on them. If you do that, I won't call you for a bonus. So we'll start our contest with the first round, and I'm starting with Opoku Ware School. I wish all schools the best. Preamble to all schools. Find the resultant of the given pair of forces. Find the resultant of the given pair of forces. Opoku Ware. The expression in newtons, 16I minus 33K. And the expression in newtons, 23I plus 15K. Go ahead.
We have the expression 39I minus 18K, all in Newton.
Correct. KNUST SHTS. The expression in newtons, 17I plus 18J. And the expression in newtons, 2I plus 8K. Go ahead.
We have the expression 19I plus 18J plus 8K, all in newtons.
Correct. Armed forces. The expression 14J minus 3K in newtons, and the expression 3I plus 5K, also in newtons. Go ahead.
An expression 3I plus 14J plus 2K, all in newtons.
Correct. Sims. Sims. Quiet. The expression I minus 12J plus 4K in newtons, and the expression 3I minus 5K also in newtons. Go ahead.
An expression 9I minus 12J plus K, all in newtons.
Incorrect. Opoku Ware.
The expression 9I minus 12J minus K, all in newton.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Quiet. Preamble to all schools. Give the hybridization of the central atom in the given molecule. Give the hybridization of the central atom in the given molecule. Opoku Ware, BCl3. Go ahead.
SP2.
Correct. KNUST. Opoku Ware, keep quiet. KNUST. NH3. Go ahead.
SP3.
Correct. Armed forces. H2O. Go ahead.
SP3.
Correct. Sims. CO2. Go ahead.
SP.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. State the type of flower possessed by the named plant in terms of visibility. State the type of flower possessed by the named plant in terms of visibility. Opoku Ware. Pawpaw.
The flowers are that the flowers are cleistogamous. That is, they are not seen or invisible.
Incorrect. KNUST.
The flowers are inconspicuous.
Incorrect. KNUST. Dandelion. Go ahead.
The flowers are inconspicuous.
Incorrect. Armed forces. Rice. Go ahead.
The flowers are unisexual.
Incorrect. Sims. Lawn grass. Okay. So, all brightly colored flowers are conspicuous or showy. So, pawpaw has conspicuous flowers, dandelion has conspicuous flowers, rice and lawn grass have inconspicuous flowers. Preamble to all schools. Find the solution of the given equation in the interval pi over 2 less than x less than pi. Find the solution of the given equation in the interval pi over 2 less than x less than pi. Opoku Ware, sec x equals negative root 2. Go ahead.
X equals 3 pi on 4 radians.
Correct. KNUST. Cosec x equals 2. Go ahead.
X is equal to 5 pi on 6 radians.
Correct. Armed forces. Cot x equals negative 1 over root 3.
Yep, x equal to 2 pi on 3 radians.
Correct. Sims. Sec x equals negative 2. Go ahead.
2 pi on 3 radians.
Correct. Find the magnitude of the impulse of a 15 kilonewton constant force that acts for 3.0 milliseconds. Opoku Ware. Go ahead.
45 Newton second.
Correct. KNUST, find the duration of a constant 9.0 kilonewton force if the magnitude of its impulse is 54 newton seconds. Go ahead.
6.0 milliseconds.
Correct. Armed forces. Find the magnitude of a constant force whose impulse has magnitude 96 newton seconds when the force acts for 4.0 milliseconds. Sorry. Go ahead.
24 kilonewtons.
Correct. Sims. Find the magnitude. Find the magnitude of the impulse of a 0.72 kilonewton constant force that acts for 25 milliseconds. Go ahead.
We have the impulse to be 19 newtons second.
Incorrect. Armed forces.
18 newton seconds.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Preamble to all schools. Give the major product formed when the given alkane reacts with bromine in sunlight. Please, I need you to be quiet so that the contestants can hear their questions. Give the major product formed when the given alkane reacts with bromine in sunlight. Opoku Ware. 2-methylpropane. Go ahead.
2-bromo, 2-methylpropane.
Correct. KNUST. 2-methylbutane.
Two bromo, 2-methylbutane.
Correct. Armed forces. Cyclopentane.
Bromocyclopentane.
Correct. Sims. Methylcyclobutane. Go ahead.
One bromo, 1-methylcyclobutane.
Methylcyclo.
Butane.
Correct. Give a word that describes the role of the protein given. Give a word that describes the role of the protein given. Opoku Ware. Hormones. Go ahead.
Stimulation.
Incorrect. KNUST. Collagen. Go ahead.
Structure.
I'll give to you. Armed forces. Antibodies. Go ahead.
Protection.
I'll give to you. I would have preferred defense. SIMS. Hemoglobin. Go ahead.
Transportation.
Transport is correct. So, Pokwari, yours should have been regulatory. Preamble to all schools. Find the equation of a curve passing through the point A and with gradient. Find the equation of a curve passing through the point A and with gradient. Opoku dy dx equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5. And the point A, 0, 7. Go ahead.
Y equals x to the power 4 over 4. That x to the power 4 over 4 minus x cubed plus 2x squared plus 5x plus 7.
Correct. KNUST. dy dx equals 4x cubed minus 6x squared plus 6x minus 7. And A is 110. Go ahead.
Y is equal to x to the power 4 minus 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 7x plus 15 is equal plus 15.
Plus,
15.
correct. Armed forces. dy dx. Please, quiet. dy dx equals 8x cubed plus 6x squared minus 8x minus 16. And the point A is 2, 8.
We have y is equal to 2x to the power 4 plus 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 16x plus 24.
Incorrect. Opoku Ware.
Y equals 2x to the power 4 plus 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 16x.
Incorrect. Sims. dy dx is equal to 12x cubed minus 6x squared minus 4x plus 6, and a is negative 1, 6. Go ahead.
Y is equal to 3x to an exponent of 4 minus 2x raised to an exponent of 3 minus 2x squared plus 6x plus 4.
Incorrect. Armed forces.
Y is equal to 3x to an exponent of 4 minus 2x to an exponent of 3 minus 2x to an exponent of 2 plus 6x plus 9.
Incorrect. So armed forces, your answer should have been y equals 2x to the power 4 plus 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 16x plus 8. Sims, y equals 4x exponent 4 minus 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus 6x plus 8. That's the end of the first round.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
challenge from Opoku Ware. The second set of biology questions. State one word that describes the function of the named protein. So they got hormones. They gave me stimulation. I did not accept it initially, but I'll give them 2 out of 3. So at the end of the first round, Sims Senior High School had 12 points. Armed Forces Senior High Technical School, Kumasi had 18 points. KNUST Senior High School and Opoku Ware School each had 20 points. Round 2. In this round, I'm going to give a question to all schools at once. You may take turns in answering. If you answered first, 3 points. Second, 2 points. Third or fourth, 1 point. This is the round that we have the speed race. So your speed will count. When you're ready with your answer, you ring the bell. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. You ring the bell. And when you ring the bell for your answer, make sure your answer is correct. Because you have 3 seconds within which to start giving your answer. If not, the bell will go out on you and you lose a point. This is not the round that you say, you'll be working and be saying, Madam, and we have, and this is what you, no. In this round, be ready with your answer before you ring. And when you ring, before the bell goes, no matter what number you are to answer, you'll be given the opportunity. Please make sure that you have your answer ready. Okay? You can ring at any time. All the best to you. We start our second round. Speed race. Describe completely the curve defined by the equations x equals 2 cos t minus 3 and y equals 2 sin t plus 5. Yes, Opoku Ware.
A circle with center -3,5 and radius 2 units.
Correct. Find Opoku Ware, if this is the first question and this is how it's going to go, we may end up having to ask you go out. I accept your apology, but I hope you live by it. Second question. Find the common ratio R of a geometric sequence with consecutive terms, the expression x plus 1, the expression x plus 3, and the expression, yes, Opoku Ware.
The common ratio is 2.
Incorrect. And the expression x plus 6. Sims.
The common ratio is 2/3.
Incorrect. Armed forces.
The common ratio is 3/2.
Correct. Find the set of values of x for which the function y equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 9x plus 3 is decreasing. Opoku Ware.
The set of x such that x is a member of all real numbers where -1 less than x less than 3.
Correct. What is the product of the combination of carbon dioxide and hemoglobin in tissues? KNUST.
Carboxyhemoglobin.
Who ranks second? No, please. Armed forces.
Oxyhemoglobin.
Incorrect. Opoku Ware.
Carbaminohemoglobin.
That's correct. We continue. Hey! Name the two constituents of triglycerides. KNUST.
3 fatty acids and 1 glycerol.
You get it. What name was Latinized to Carolus Linnaeus? Carl von Linné. What mass of potassium sulfate must be dissolved in 200 cubic centimeters of solution to obtain a concentration of 0.25 mole? Yes, Opoku Ware.
We have 8.7 grams.
Correct. Given that the molar mass of a compound is 320 grams per mole, given that the molar mass of a compound is 320 grams per mole, determine the number of atoms in its molecular formula if its empirical formula is C5H4O. Yes, Opoku Ware.
40.
Correct. Determine Oh, Opoku Ware, will you stop passing commentary and let me finish? Then you can discuss whatever you need to discuss, okay? We continue. Determine the molar mass of the 10th member of the homologous series of alkenes. KNUST.
154 grams per mole.
Correct. KNUST, it's okay. It's okay. What is the kinetic energy of an object whose total mechanical energy is 18 joules? If its potential energy is negative, yes, Opoku Ware.
21 joules.
Incorrect. Negative 12 joules. Yes, armed forces.
30 joules.
Correct. The acceleration. The acceleration of an object is constant and equals 15 I meters per second squared. Find the velocity of the object at t equals 3.0 seconds if its initial velocity is 36 joules. It's 36 J.
The velocity is 45I plus 36G.
What I?
45I plus 36G, all in meters per second.
Correct. Find the resistance of 1.2 meters of a wire, given that the resistance of 1.0 meter of the same wire is 5.0 ohms. Yes, Opoku Ware.
6.0 ohms.
Correct. That's the end of the speed race.
First, by you. You have to say take the number give me.
Guys, now I'm tired. I'll go on a date with whoever gets here first.
Princess, really? Okay, I come.
Shut up!
Mame, Philip, thank you, Boss, fill my tank with Super XP Raw 95.
Well up with Super XP Raw 95 and Diesel XP high performance products from Goyle.
Sorry, Tony got here first, so I'm stepping with him.
Oh, cut him. Hey, go for mommy.
Choose Super XP Raw 95 and Diesel XP for an energizing driving experience. Always go for Goyle Super XP Raw 95. Goyle, good energy.
Goyle is good energy.
Ohima, no be taking number first. By you. You have to say take the number give me.
Guys, now I'm tired. I'll go on a date with whoever gets here first.
Princess, really? Okay, I come.
Shut up!
Mame, Philip, thank you, Boss, fill my tank with Super XP Raw 95.
Well up with Super XP Raw 95 and Diesel XP high performance products from Goyle.
Sorry, Tony got here first, so I'm stepping with him.
Oh, cut him. Hey, go for mommy.
Choose Super XP Run 95 and Diesel XP for an energizing driving experience. Always go for Goyle Super XP Run 95. Goyle, good energy.
Goyle, Goyle, Goyle is good
So we have two changes to make before we continue. Armed Forces Senior High Technical School, Kumasi, would like to make a change. So Dennis Ado is going out for Frimpong Blessing to come in. Thank you for being with us, Dennis. And Opoku Ware is bringing in Brentio Dixon Ejipon for Kusi John. Thank you for being with us, John. You are welcome. Blessing and Dixon. At the end of the speed race, Sims Senior High School had 11 points. Opoku Armed Forces Senior High Technical School Kumasi had 20 points. KNUST Senior High School had 25 points. And Opoku Ware School had 37 points. Contestants, this is round 3. I have a statement for each school. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you're right, 2 points for you. When you're wrong, you lose a point. You may decide not to answer. Then when the bell goes out on you, another school may ring to answer correctly for the 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. I wish you all the best. Round 3, I'm starting with Opoku Ware. Preamble to all schools. It can be deduced from Newton's first law of motion that Opoku Ware, an object moving freely, eventually stops moving because of friction. Go ahead.
True.
Incorrect. KNUST. An object moving freely. Please. An object moving freely eventually stops because its natural state is the state of rest.
False.
Correct. Armed forces. An object moving freely continues moving along a straight line.
True.
Correct. Sims. An object at rest remains at rest if the net force on it is 0. Go ahead.
True.
Correct. Opoku Ware. The decomposition of carbonates and nitrates can be used to identify their anions. Go ahead.
True.
Correct. KNUST. Calcium carbonate decomposes to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide when heated.
True.
Correct. Armed forces. Sodium nitrate decomposes to produce sodium metal, nitrogen dioxide, and oxygen.
False.
Correct. Sims. The thermal stability of carbonates increases down a group in the periodic table. Go ahead.
False.
Incorrect. Opoku Ware. All proteins are incomplete.
False.
Correct. KNUST. All proteins are complete.
False.
Correct. Armed forces. Plant proteins are complete.
False.
Correct. Sims. Essential amino acids are absent in incomplete proteins. Go ahead.
True.
Incorrect. Opoku Ware, x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 is an exact cube. Go ahead.
False.
Correct. KNUST, x cubed plus 3x squared minus 3x minus 1 is an exact cube.
True.
Incorrect. Armed forces, x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 is an exact cube.
True.
Correct. Sims, x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1 is an exact cube. Go ahead.
True.
Correct. The SI unit of activity of a radionuclide is the rad. Opoku Ware. Go ahead.
False.
Correct. KNUST, the SI unit of absorbed radiation. The SI unit of absorbed radiation dose is the gray.
True.
Correct. Armed forces, the SI unit of activity of a radionuclide is the becquerel.
True.
Correct. Sims, the symbol for the SI unit of absorbed radiation dose is capital G. Go ahead.
False.
Correct. Ammonia gas can be collected over water. Opoku Ware.
False.
Correct. KNUST, hydrogen gas can be collected over water.
True.
Correct. Armed forces, sulfur dioxide gas can be collected over water.
False.
Correct. Sims, nitrogen gas can be collected over water. Go ahead.
True.
Correct. Opoku Ware, inflated pods are dominant. Go ahead.
True.
Incorrect. KNUST, inflated pods are recessive.
False.
Correct. Armed forces, tall plants are dominant.
True.
Incorrect. Sims, purple flowers are dominant. Go ahead.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The completely undefined elements of geometry are, the completely undefined elements of geometry are, Opoku Ware, a point and a line. Go ahead.
False.
Correct. KNUST, a line and a plane.
False.
Correct. Armed forces, a plane and a point.
False.
Correct. Sims, a point, a line, and a plane. Go ahead.
True.
Correct. That's the end of the third round.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
The answer, not accepting the answer they gave for the second set of biology questions. Inflated pods are dominant. In what? In some species, it may be dominant. In others, it may be recessive. So I've not said anything. So you can't make it true. Thank you. So at the end of the third round, Sims Senior High School had 21 points. Armed Forces Senior High Technical School, Kumasi, had 33 points. KNUST Senior High School, had 38 points, and Opoku Ware School had 47 points. So contestants, this is the fourth and final round. We are going to solve 4 riddles. And so Guel PLC says that they have the Guel riddle bonanza for you if you are able to solve either 3 or all 4 riddles correctly. If you solve 3 correctly, you get 200 cedis for the team. If you solve all 4 correctly, you earn 400 cedis for the team. The Guel riddle bonanza is proudly sponsored by Guel PLC. Guel, good energy. So, I'm going to give you clues to help you solve the riddle. Each riddle will come to all of you, so you can take turns in solving. If you are the first to solve, fine, whichever position you find yourself. But when you attempt and you are not successful, you set out of competition for that particular riddle. If there is any after, you may join us. Now, when I give the clues and you are able to answer on the first, you will get 5 points. Second, 4 points. Third to the last, 3 points. As soon as you are ready with your solution, just press the bell. I'll stop whatever I'm doing and give you the opportunity. I wish you the best. Round 4. As a matter of fact, I am an inequality. I relate to the sides of a triangle. I involve the sum of any 2 sides in relation to a third side. I simply state that the sum of any 2 sides of a triangle exceeds the third side. I'm a statement of geometric significance. Who am I? Opoku Ware.
The triangle inequality theorem.
Triangle inequality
Theorem.
I haven't accepted it. Okay, who rang again? KNUST. Armed Forces. Sorry, Armed Forces.
Triangle inequality.
That is correct. I was a religious man. I was an Augustinian monk, to be precise. Yes, Opoku Ware.
Mendel.
That's correct. I am a main group oxide. I'm a refractory material with a high melting point. I'm used as an abrasive in sandpaper due to my hardness. I'm the main product formed in the Bayer process. Opoku Ware.
Aluminium oxide.
Correct. The noisemakers are out, thank God. We continue. I am a physical quantity. I am a vector quantity. An SI unit for me is kilogram meter per second. KNUST.
Impulse.
Correct. That's the end of the contest. Settle down. Settle down. Our contest has ended. And before I give the scores, let me tell you who is competing next. We have Osai Tutu Senior High School, Kofi J Senior High Technical School, Sewanya Akun Girls Senior High School, and Ejisuman Senior High School. They are competing next. So at the end of this contest, Sims Senior High School had 21 points. Armed Forces Senior High Technical School had 36 points. KNUST Senior High School had 41 points. And Opoku Ware School had 54 points. So we'll bid farewell to KNUST, Armed Forces and Sims in the Regional Championship. Congratulations to you, Opoku Ware School. You have qualified to the next stage of competition. We thank you, our audience, for being with us for this contest. Congratulations again to you, Opoku Ware School. The Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by GOL with support from Joy News. We say thank you to Charles for allowing the contestants to be here and also preparing them to be here. This is a Primetime production, and my name is Dr. Mrs. Gladys Odeshinga, your quiz mistress. Bye for now.
Thank you.